continuing to add new products that fit into the network. So the smart sump pump monitor we've launched last year, and we have a demo available at the booth. But what we're really excited about this year is an enhancement to our existing smart faucet. So our new smart faucet with the motion control includes all of the smart features that our regular faucet does: Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, the ability to get exact amounts and temperatures. But we've enhanced the touchless sensor. So now you can swipe and get cold water, swipe for hot water, warm water, and turn it off. So we saw consumers more and more were using the touchless sensor that before just had on and off. So we wanted to give even more functionality to that. So now you can get those temperatures. You can define cold, warm, and hot in the app so that it fits what you use in your home. And because of the improved usability overall, we'll be launching 2 styles that are really pushing forward on design that don't even have a handle. So these can really be a showpiece in your home. Yeah, you bet. Ready? Okay. Okay. So to the right for cold, and you'll see here the LED is changing colors to indicate the temperature. Swipe left for hot. It starts to heat up. Swipe down for warm, and then stop for off. So you'll be able to control the temperature and the flow touchlessly, in addition to all of the other smart features such as the voice connectivity, remote control with the app, creating presets. You can ask for the exact amount and temperature that you want. It will automatically warm the water up and then give you 8 ounces of 98-degree water for your baby bottle, or fill my pasta pot, or fill my water bottle, or any of those things you do again and again that you just want to set and walk away. So the Moen Smart Faucet and Smart Faucet with motion control ship with a battery pack in the box, because we know not every home has an unswitched outlet under the deck. So you can install with a battery pack. We do have an AC adapter available separately that will convert the battery into a battery backup. But this way you install it like a regular faucet. From the app, you can scan the QR code and it will walk you through step-by-step of the installation and also provisioning it to the app and connecting to either Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart Faucet with motion control will be available through wholesalers or through online retailers such as Amazon starting in April. The Smart Faucet right now is available at all major retailers. And you can check Moen.com. Moen.com available for purchase.
This is our smart sump pump monitor. This is part of our water security suite, and currently on the flow with our flow devices, we protect against leaks in the that come in through your plumbing system through pipes. This is where this is our first foray into protecting against ingress from other points. Sump pump being a primary cause of water damage in basements. So it's a smart sump pump monitor. We have a monitoring device that plugs into the wall and then into your primary sump pump. We have a time of flight sensor that gives you real-time feedback on the water level in your crock. Most people, in many cases, the crock lid is bolted down. These are opaque. People have no idea what's going on inside. We're providing that visibility. We also then have an auxiliary sensor that will tell you outside of the crock whether or not you have water on the floor, that sort of thing. We monitor both the primary pump and a backup pump through a combination of current draw and the time of flight sensor, water level, and then the app will give you alerts based on what's happening inside your system. So, just to show you an example, this is just a real-time demo of water rising, what you would see in the app, and the result of the real-time sensor. In this case, there's no error condition or danger, but we have real-time monitoring. In the case where you have a whole lot of water ingress and you have a pump failure, which is what we're looking at here, as the water rises, we can tell, your primary pump is not kicking on when it should. We alert you. Go take care of it if you can. Your backup pump, if your backup pump doesn't engage when it should, again, we can alert you, and then we will reach out, depending on your settings, we will call you and let you know that you have a potential leak situation, and you know, if you can get to your crock and figure it out.
Can I install this myself, or do I have to have a plumber?
You can install it yourself. It is, you plug this into the wall, you plug your sump up into it. The leak, the time of flight sensor is a USB cable, zip tied to your inside your crock, and then the sensor puck just plugs in. It's a radio jack. And then you connect it through the Moen Smart Water app.